Hey Gerald, my name is Devin. I just wanted to thank you for taking the time to check the screencast out. And really quickly, I just wanted to go over three things I found on your website that you guys can do super easy to be a Boti tree company. As we see over here, they're ranked on this first page of Google right here, and they're ranked organically right here on this first page. So just three super easy things you guys can do to beat these guys. But first, I know you're probably sitting there asking why I'm making this video for you. Well, it's really super simple. I found out that a lot of business owners are too busy running their business that they don't have time to really learn how to use how the internet can bring them more leads and more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody is that they don't know who is and who isn't an expert. So I found out if I make these attack plans and give them away for free, some owners actually go out and do it on their own, and some of them actually end up calling me back. So whatever you guys decide to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal here is to help educate you and just get some information to you guys. So I want to talk to you about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So first thing I want to talk about is content. So as we go through your page here, it's a really nice website. Whoever set this up is obviously a professional. It's got nice sliding images in here, good colors. But what Google's looking at the most here is content right here. Google likes to see 2,000 words of content on these pages because in their eyes, it's what's going to keep customers on pages more. So they want to see a lot of content and 2,000 words of content on here. So as we come over here to your competitors, we see these guys. They might not even have 100 words of content on their page, and I'll explain to you in a little bit why they're outranking you guys. But so my first tip is here is just getting 2,000 words of content on here, and on top of getting that content, you want to add keywords in. And keywords is what people are going to be typing into Google right here. Like Atlanta Tree Service, you see is getting 720 clicks a month for just that keyword alone. So just add in keywords into your website right here. Will help you get ranked for it. The second thing I want to talk about is backlinks. And a backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is really important because Google is basically a popularity contest. Basically a popularity contest. Sorry about that. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for your company, but they want to see relevant companies, and they'll give you a lot of power for relevant ones. For example, you want landscaping and construction companies or tree cutting services pointing back to your website. Things within your niche. You don't want Pizza Hut linking back to your website because Google understands that you don't make pizzas for a living. So what I do to check this, I use Ahrefs. You don't have to use this website right here. There's a bunch of free ones out there. You just type in backlink checker on Google. So what we can tell right here, you guys have six referring domains and 13 backlinks. So this means your website is listed in 6 different websites and it's listed 13 times total. So as we hop over here to your competitors, Boti Tree, we see that they're in 142 different sites linking back to their website 557 times, and that's bringing them about 1,000 clicks a month of organic traffic. So it's very easy to go out and get these. So if these links works for them, they're going to work for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to come in here and you're going to see all these websites that their website is linked in. So you want to come in here. A lot of these are very easy to get. You just literally come in here, sign up, create an account, and then put a link in there referring back to your website. Or some of these are blog posts, so you come in there, make a little blog comment, and then throw in your website in that blog comment. So it's fairly easy to do. A lot of them are free. It's kind of time consuming, but you don't want to do them all at once, otherwise it'll come off as spammy to Google. So with those 2 tips right here, that's what's going to get you organically listed in this first page right here of Google. Anything under this map pack and these ads section is going to be considered the organic listings. So those 2 tips will get you listed there. And the last thing I want to go over is citations. This is how you get ranked first in this map pack area. So you want to be #1 here. It's completely free. All you need to do is have more citations than your competitors. So you see Boti Tree right here. I'm just going to use them as an example because we was using them earlier. A citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is basically Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Whitespark. So I use whitespark.ca to check this. As we see, Boti Tree has 71 citations right here. So same as Backlinks, you can come in here, see exactly what citations they have, and you're just gonna go out and you're gonna copy these right here. Put in your name, address, and phone number, and basically copy these. If it worked for them, it's gonna work for you. Um, so yeah, that basically wraps it up right here. Hopefully my information is useful and informative. Again, we went over backlinks, citations, and content. So just getting 2,000 words of content along with those keywords and going out and copying those backlinks and those citations. So again, my name is Devin. I hope you found this information useful. If you'd like to reach out to me, my number is 775-402-2885, and I'll be linking it in the email as well. So thank you for your time. I try to be as brief as possible. So thank you again.